One city was overheating, choking under concrete and traffic. So instead of air conditioners, it planted trees, and it cooled itself down by several degrees. Here's how. The city is Medellín, Colombia, and its solution has become a global model. It's proof that nature itself might be one of our best weapons against extreme city heat. First, the problem. As Medellín grew, it built and built, replacing green spaces with concrete and asphalt. Those surfaces trap and re-emit the sun's heat relentlessly. This creates something called the urban heat island effect, where a city becomes noticeably hotter than the countryside around it, straining health, energy, and daily comfort. So in 2016, Medellín launched an initiative called Green Corridors. The idea was beautifully simple. Turn gray, hostile roadsides into cool, living ribbons of greenery. They transformed 30 major corridors along roads, riverbanks, and transit routes, planting roughly 2.5 million smaller plants and around 880,000 trees. Crucially, this wasn't done by machines alone. The city trained local residents from disadvantaged communities as urban gardeners, turning climate action into real jobs and community ownership. So how does greenery actually cool a city? Two main ways. First, tree canopies provide shade, blocking solar radiation before it ever bakes the asphalt below. Second, and cleverly, plants release water vapor through their leaves, a process called evapotranspiration. It works almost exactly like natural air conditioning, gently cooling the surrounding air. And the results are genuinely impressive. In just the first 3 years, average temperatures in the treated areas fell by about 2 degrees Celsius, roughly 3 to 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Even better, officials project further cooling of several more degrees over the coming decades, even as the wider planet keeps warming. The trees keep working and improving over time. The benefits didn't stop at temperature. The corridors cleaned the air, absorbed carbon dioxide, and even brought birds and wildlife back into the heart of the city. Now, the honest picture. This works best in a warm, wet climate like Medellín's, where plants thrive. It also needs ongoing funding and years of patience to mature. But the cost was modest, and the payoff huge. One advisor beautifully called it urban acupuncture, small, precise interventions that together transform a whole city. So here's my question for you. Would you like to see your own city fight heat with trees instead of just more concrete? Tell me below. And if solutions that quietly reshape how we live fascinate you the way they fascinate me, subscribe. Because sometimes the smartest technology is nature itself.